Hey guys, happy Thursday and welcome back to Writer's Workshop. Super happy to see you guys here today. We're going to be taking a closer look today at the same thing that we had gotten started on yesterday. So, how to use our Tiny Topics notepads to write down a lot of ideas about stories that we might want to write. So when we're using our notepads, we want to make sure that we're not trying to write the whole story out there. They're so teeny tiny, there's not enough room for that. What you want to try to do is write down a couple of key words to remind you of the story that you'd like to write, and maybe a couple of details that you think you'd like to include in there. When we're working in our Tiny Topics notebooks, we also want to write down as many ideas as we think of. Don't worry if those ideas don't seem fun enough or exciting enough for you. Don't be an editor yet. You want to get everything that you're thinking about down on paper. Why do we do this? Well, did you know that just writing things down helps your brain grow stronger? I mean, who wouldn't want to try that easy practice? So, when we're using our notepads, I like to think of myself as a story detective. We make lists of our ideas so that, well, it can be easy to find a topic to write about, but also because it helps us discover the small moment stories in our life. We become detectives about our own lives, if you can believe that. And of course, don't forget that doing that helps your brain grow even stronger. So today, please take 10 minutes of your writing time to just sit and think of some ideas that you might want to write about. You can try that strategy from yesterday where you think about times when you've had a really big feeling if you're not sure where to start. After you've thought about your story ideas for about 10 minutes, I want you to go ahead and choose just one of those ideas. And remember, we're really trying to think, what was the most exciting part of that idea that I had? And write a lot about that one small part. So again, today, what you're going to do is you're going to take 10 minutes to write down ideas in your notepad. Then you're going to pick one of those ideas and you're going to write for at least 15 minutes about that story. Don't forget to include a beginning, a middle, and an end to your story. Happy writing, guys. I can't wait to hear what you've done.